Living in Middleburg, Florida, means enjoying lush greenery, warm temperatures, and southern charm, but it also means dealing with high humidity nearly year-round. While the moisture in the air helps the environment thrive, it can be less kind to your home, especially when it comes to windows. Poorly sealed or outdated windows can allow moisture to seep inside, leading to issues like mold growth, rot, and structural damage. Fortunately, modern window technology is designed to protect homes in humid climates like Middleburg's, keeping interiors dry, energy efficient, and comfortable. Let's explore how high-quality, properly installed windows can help prevent moisture damage and safeguard your investment for years to come. The hidden dangers of moisture in Middleburg homes. Humidity is a constant challenge in North Florida. When moist air enters your home through gaps, cracks, or poorly insulated windows, it can cause several problems over time. Condensation buildup on window panes and sills. Wood rot in window frames and trim. Mold and mildew growth that affects indoor air quality. Peeling paint and warped materials caused by trapped moisture. These issues not only impact your home's appearance but can also lead to costly repairs and potential health risks. The good news? Choosing the right windows, and ensuring they're installed by professionals, helps minimize these threats. How modern windows prevent moisture problems. Advanced sealing and insulation. The first line of defense against humidity is a tight window seal. Modern replacement windows feature multi-layer weather stripping and insulated frames that prevent humid outdoor air from entering your home. Vinyl and fiberglass windows, in particular, are non-porous materials that resist warping and rot, unlike wood, which can absorb moisture. This helps maintain an airtight barrier, keeping humidity where it belongs, outside. Double and triple pane glass technology. Today's windows often use double or triple pane glass filled with inert gases like argon or krypton. These gas-filled layers act as a thermal and moisture barrier, reducing condensation and improving overall energy efficiency. The insulating glass units, EGUS, also help regulate interior temperature, preventing the interior glass from becoming cold enough for condensation to form. This means fewer water droplets, less potential for mold, and better visibility year-round. Low-E coatings for climate control. In Middleburg's humid subtropical climate, controlling both heat and moisture is essential. Low emissivity, low-E, glass coatings reflect infrared heat while allowing natural light to enter, reducing indoor humidity buildup caused by excess warmth. By keeping indoor surfaces cooler and more balanced, low-E windows minimize condensation on glass surfaces and help maintain a consistent indoor environment. Proper drainage systems. Many modern window designs include built-in drainage channels and weep holes that allow trapped water to escape before it causes damage. This feature is particularly useful in areas like Middleburg, where sudden rain showers and afternoon storms are common. A well-installed drainage system ensures moisture doesn't accumulate in the frame or sill, preventing long-term deterioration. Professional installation makes all the difference. Even the best window won't perform well if it's not installed correctly. Professional installation ensures accurate fitting within the window opening. Proper sealing with weatherproof materials. Correct flashing techniques to redirect water away from the structure. When you hire experienced installers familiar with Florida's humidity challenges, you get the confidence that your windows will stand strong against heat, rain, and moisture infiltration. Maintenance tips for lasting protection. To keep your windows performing their best in Middleburg's climate, follow these simple maintenance practices. Inspect seals and caulking annually for cracks or wear. Clean weep holes and drainage tracts to prevent clogs. Wipe away condensation during cooler months to prevent mold. Avoid painting over seals, which can block drainage or cause cracking. Routine care, combined with professional installation, ensures your windows continue to protect your home effectively for years. Final thoughts. In humid environments like Middleburg, preventing moisture damage is key to maintaining a healthy, comfortable home. Investing in modern, well-sealed, and energy-efficient windows can dramatically reduce humidity-related issues, from mold prevention to improved air quality. With the right materials, technology, and professional installation, your new windows won't just look great, they'll serve as a powerful defense against the elements. For Middleburg homeowners, that means peace of mind, long-term savings, and a home built to last through Florida's toughest weather.